So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video will be a horror video, because in this video I am going to tell you a very horror story. Yes guys, for this video will be so different video. I always tell you funny story video, short story video, moral story, and also textbook stories video, like food item video. But this video will be so very horror video, and this story also, like, I create this story is my own story. And this story, first I am just sitting and thinking my new videos topic, and then suddenly I had an idea that I had to make a new story. Like, I make a new story, I make my story, and I tell you. But I don't think in that time that what the topic will be, and then I just think, and suddenly I had an idea. I get the topic, the horror topic. This video will be so different video. So this story has not any name. I also did not give any name of this story. So let's start this story. You can think that this story is created by me. For this I am the character in this story. Like, you can imagine that imagination is so good for us. We can do anything with the help of the imagination. So one day, like, I have a car, and then one day when I just driving my car, I just drive in the a hillside of the highway road. And I just drive the car at the 10 o'clock at the night, and I was like farting in the time, because there are no any person, single light, single animal, single noise also in the highway road. In my left side, in my right side, there are only deeper and deeper just forest. And then I did not care about that. I just drive, and then suddenly it started raining, and I was very frightened at the time, because there are lots of storm, there are lots of lightning flashing, and also a heavy rainfall. And then I just take a break. I just thought that I have to take a stop. I just think that what I now do. The rain is started. The rain is very heavy. What I have to do now? And then after a moment I decided to go. I did not stop for a moment, because my spot is so far about me. I have to go fast in the morning. For this I just drive. The road, the highway is just started going slippery because for the rainfall. And I was frightened at them, but I did not care about that. I just drive, and when I get a speed of my car, like drive very speedily, and suddenly I saw that my brake does not working in that time. I was very frightened in that time. I just try again and again, but the brake does not working. For this I just take a position, and then I trying to stop the car, but the car does not stopping in that time. For this suddenly there is a very big crash. My car just go into the deeper forest. In that time I was very frightened, but what I have to do? And now guys, the car has not any control by me. I just trying to do a very big control, a very good control, but the car is uncontrollable in that time. I also does not able to control it in that time. And then the car just automatically started going in the deeper forest, deeper and deeper. There are no any single light, just the car light. And then I just riding, and suddenly my car stopped. I was frightened in the time. I just get off my car, and I saw that there are no drop of petrol in my car. And then I was very frightened at the time, because the raining is just heavy. I just take a hat on my head, and I saw near and there. In my backside, I saw very far a tube light is just lighting, like a yellow color tube light. I saw that, and then I think that I have to go near them. And then I just started walking. My hand is on my head, and then when I go near of the yellow tube light, then I saw a small cottage, like a small house. This house not a big, like this house is very old house. First time I also think that what I have to do now, but I did not think any of that because I am full of weight in that time. For this I knocked the door, and then there was no anyone in the home. I just started calling that anybody here in the home, but there was no anyone. I just started knocking the door, but suddenly I heard a hoarse noise behind me. I was shocked in that time, and then I suddenly farted very farted at them. For this I moved around, and in my backside I saw an old man. He has taken a lamp in his hand, and he also take a stick. He said, "Hey boy, what happened with you? I think that you are in a deep problem. Tell me, what is your problem?" First time I think that I have to wait a minute in this place, but I think that it could be a man, a simple person, an old person. Then I shared my problem with the old man, and then the old man give a place to rest and to wait till the morning in his room. And then when I entered the cottage, like in the house, I saw near that the house, home is very dirty. But I did not care about them. And then the old man give me a place to stay and to sleep in the night. And then when I was just sleeping in the light, every lights are off. But suddenly in the middle, I heard a noise. First time I also don't know that what are happening behind me, but I did not saw behind me that what is happening. For this I just sleep and sleep. I go in a deep sleep, and when I woke up in the morning, I was shocked. First time for a minute I don't remember. I can't remember that what is happening me, where I am. But suddenly I remember, oh, in the night happened with me, that happened with me, I am in the old man home. But when I just started calling the old man that, sir, where are you? But in the room there was no anyone. There was no the old man. For this I just open the door, I just go near my car, and then suddenly I saw that the old man is sitting backside of my car. And then he just seeing what is happening everywhere. I was shocked. I go behind him and I say, "Sir, what happened? Why you are sitting here? Come with me, take a rest." And then the man stand up, and then he said that now it is the time to go. You go ahead from here and don't come. And then I was shocked. For this I remember that there are no any drop of petrol in my car. For this I asked to the old man that, "Yes sir, I am started going. Now can you please tell me that where is the petrol pump near about us?" And then the old man silent in the time for a moment, and then he suddenly said that yes, there is a petrol pump near about us. It is 4-5 like 6 kilometers far away after a village. Like I also don't like his talking style. He was talking very horribly, but I did not care about that. I say that thank you. And then when I sit down in my car, I saw that my car is not in a good condition to drive. For this I get off again in my car, and then I decided to go with the help of the walking to the village. And then I take and then I take some petrol, and I come back again in that place, and I give petrol to my car. For this I reach in the village. When I entered the village, I go in the market. When I entered in the market, everyone just look at me. Everyone run and came that, "Who are you? From where you come? Tell us, quickly, tell us from where you come." I was shocked. First time I also shocked. I did not say anything, but after a moment I say that whole thing, that what happened in the night with me. And then I also say that I go to the forest, deeper forest, and I stay at night in the old man house. And then when everyone hear this backstep, and then they started mattering to themselves, to the other person, that this is the boys came from the old man. First time I also don't know that why they are saying this. And then a old man, means the head of the village, came near me. He said, did you go to a night? Did you spend your night in the old man house, the scary old man house? And I said, yes, but why it is scary? He is a good man. He gave me to this place. And then the head said that you are so lucky that he did not do anything with you. After 2 or 3 years ago, you also, a boy came in the forest, and then he also need a place in the time for to stay, and then he take the place. He saw the old man home in the forest, deeper forest. For this he also, like you, just stay in that day. But in the next morning, when our villagers go in the forest for to take some food, for to take some wood, then everyone saw that he is lying on the ground like a very big field, and in his whole body there are lots of blood. Is just falling. And then our villagers just take him and came to our home and give him a best medical things, and also give him a very great care. And then he told us that what happened with him in the night. He also go to the old man house. He also take a sleep, but in the morning he saw that he are just sleeping in the field. And then we again go to the deeper forest to take an inquiry, but we did not found the old man house. The same thing happened with you. Now, so what are happening with you? Did the old man say anything wrong with you? And then I was shocked. I said, no, you are wrong. I think that they are the old nature people. They also just make a lie. For this I say that no, I don't care anything. Just take me, give me some petrol, I will give you money. And then the head again said, now what happened with you, we don't know. If you go again, don't go, leave the car, don't go. But I did not care about that. For this I just take the petrol and started going back in the deeper forest. And then when I saw my car, I just ran with happiness, because there is my petrol, like a bottle of petrol, and in my hand. For this I just go, I open the dicky and I fill the whole petrol in my car. And then I sit down, and then I want to say goodbye to the old man who helped me for the night. But when I saw behind me, when I saw left side, then I saw that the old man house there was no house of the old man, a single house. The bulb also invisible in the time. The old man house, there are no any house in the place where my car is just stand. I was very frightened at that time. I saw in my back window in my car, and in this there was written with the blood that don't come here again. I was so frightened. For this I just start my car and go ahead. I just go in the highway road, and then I just take a speed in the whole speed, very speed, and I go to my home and don't take a travel with alone in the night. So this story is written by me, and I try to give everything, the simple thing also in this story. So please comment me how it is. I do lots of hard work in this story. I just think, and in the last moment I write in it, and now I say you. Now please comment me that how it is. Now guys, I think that it is enough in this video. Now let's see you in the next video. If you like my own story, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, like this video to a great mind, nothing is written. And if you like lots of horror story, so please comment me. Thank you. To a great mind, nothing is